Hello, my friend. I'm Dr. Heather of Halo Health CBD. I'm a clinical pharmacist and a CBD advocate, just a very curious person when it comes to research and how CBD is really helping my patients. And so it's become something that's a big passion for mine, especially in providing a quality product. Today, I wanted to highlight my product, which is actually the full spectrum gummies. And so these full spectrum gummies, let me turn these the right way, actually have all the great things from the plant of the hemp plant. So it includes a lot of the cannabinoids besides CBD. It is mostly CBD, but contains other parts of the plant that they don't filter out or process out. And so you get a lot of other great cannabinoids in these full spectrum products, including THC, but not anything above the legal limit of THC. So it's less than 0.3% THC. And the great thing about the full spectrum gummy is it comes in this 10 count pack, which is really easy to toss in your purse and kind of make it more mobile, or just to try them out as a sample. And it also comes, I carry a 30 count bottle. This is really helpful for those people who want like a month's worth. A lot of times people will use this to help them relax and to get a good night's sleep. And so, one a night is the great way to get like the 30 count bottle if you're going to use it to that amount. So a couple of things about the full spectrum gummies, again, about the testing, you want to kind of make sure that you understand it does have a little bit of that THC, but that is a beautiful thing about the full spectrum, about that broad effect that we get. So these, like I said, can be used to help with bringing on deeper sleep, more relaxation to help you go back to sleep when you wake up. It's also, I have patients who use them for more of the achiness, the muscle issues, any inflammation, pain type things. This can soothe a lot of that systemically because you're taking it orally. So that is my full spectrum gummies. If you have any questions, let me know. Or if you just want to tell me what you think, I'm always up to know what you think about my products. Again, I'm Dr. Heather of Halo Health CBD that you can trust.